Hello, children. Hope you all are safe at home. Today we are going to study the lesson Children at Work from the textbook It So Happened, Class 8. Valu is an 11-year-old child who runs away from home. Now, children, all are not privileged to get education at an early age. Some children they don't study because they have to leave the house for livelihood or poverty, and some due to some environmental factors, unhappy family life, they leave their homes and they work in the factories or they do rag picking and other stuff. This story is about Velu, an 11-year-old boy ran away from home. He kept wandering before getting onto a train to Chennai without a ticket. A porter shouted at Velu to get sight. As Velu was getting lost in the crowd, he put his bundle down and sat on a bench, not knowing where to go and what to do. Velu had never seen so many people earlier, except once a year at the fair. Fair is the Mela in the village. People kept walking by, bumping into him. There was a lot of noise on the platform. A voice kept announcing something on the loudspeaker. Velu felt tired and exhausted. He had not eaten anything for 2 days except for peanuts and jaggery. The first day after running from home, he had to walk the entire day. He had no money at all, and therefore he also had to travel without a ticket. Now Velu meets Jaya. Just when Velu was feeling miserable, he heard a rough voice calling out. Velu opened his eyes and saw a girl standing next to him. She asked Velu if he was new to the town. The girl was wearing a log banyan and was carrying a huge sack on her shoulders. She was stuffing the sack with dirty plastic caps that she was picking from the floor. Jaya asked Velu, had he run away from home? Velu did not wish to tell a stranger his story. He does not tell Jaya that he had run away from home because he was tired getting beaten by his father, and that his father snatched away all the money that Velu and his sisters used to earn. Now Jaya helps Velu to find food. Jaya tells Velu that there were many children like Velu who have left their homes are to be found in the town. Velu was feeling very hungry and his stomach was hurting due to starvation. Jaya tells Velu that he won't get food merely by sitting there. So she offers him help in finding food. Though not sure, Velu begins to walk a great deal. She finally takes him to a wedding function. Jaya at that point indicates towards a big garbage bin as the potential treat. She offers Velu a banana from the bin. At first, Velu refuses to take the food from the bin. He sees two goats standing on the pile and a cloud of flies buzzing around them. Yet he then decides to take food because he could not control his hunger any further. After eating a banana and vara from the bin, Velu feels his hunger satiated a bit. Satiated means satisfied. Now Jaya leaves for work. Directing Velu, Jaya begins to leave for work. Velu panics. He did not know where to go if Jaya would leave him alone. He decides to go along with Jaya. Jaya takes Velu to her house, where she dumps one sack and picks up an empty one to gather more trash. Jaya tells Velu that she was a rag picker, and if Velu wanted to make money, he could do the same job. Velu did not know what rag picking was. So what happens? And he could not understand why someone would buy the rubbish that Jaya was collecting. Nonetheless, he decides to follow Jaya and walk with her till he found a better job to sustain himself. Thank you, children. Hope you understood the chapter. Thank you.